All right, so we're going to look at now is number 22. We're going to look at stop signs, and we're going to look at polygons. Now you remember the big hint that you get up here is that the total interior angle sum is calculated with n minus 2 times 180. Okay, so you've got n minus 2 times 180. That is how we calculate the interior angle sum of a polygon. The exterior angle sum is always 360. So the exterior is always going to add to 360, and the interior is going to be n minus 2 times 180. Now, if you remember, n is the number of sides, and n minus 2 is how many triangles we can divide this into. So, and then 180 is how many degrees angle sum-wise, or the sum of the angles of an interior angles of a triangle. Sorry, just a little babbly tonight. So number 22 says find the measure of each. Each means divide, okay? So we're going to find the measure of each exterior. So exterior means we're going to deal with 360 in some form or fashion, because remember 360 is exterior, angle of this sign. Now, it tells you that the stop sign is a regular polygon. If you remember, regular means that it's got all congruent sides and congruent angles. So that enables us to find each one. If we didn't know that they were all the same, we couldn't find each one. What if this one was 100 and that one was 80 and that one was 95? This is telling us it's regular, so we know they're all the same. It's kind of hard to see, but these are all the same measurement. So I want to find, that's the interior angles. If you remember, exterior angles are when I create my pinwheel. Okay, I kind of go across here. My pinwheel there, all of my blue ones that you probably can't see at all are your interior angles, and these are your exterior angles right here. And what do we know all exterior angles are going to add to? 360. So if I want to find each one, I'm going to take 360 and I'm going to divide it by how many angles I have. And in an octagon, which is this, 8 sides, I've got 8 angles. So all you're going to do is you're going to do 360 divided by 8, and that is going to give you 45 degrees. So each one of these guys here is 45 degrees, and that's in a regular octagon. So they're all 45s, okay? The next one says find the measure of each, and once again that means divide. So each means divide. Interior, which means we're going to use n minus 2 times 180 angle of the sign. So I'm going to find the measure of each interior angle of this stop sign. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do n minus 2 times 180, so 8 minus 2 times 180. That's going to give me the total. So when I multiply that out, I get 1,080 degrees. 1,080 is what all these guys add up to on the inside, but I want each one. And I know they're going to each be the same because this is a regular polygon. It tells me up here it's regular. That's important. So what you do with this is it's actually n minus 2 times 180 divided by n. I've got 8 angles, right? So I'm going to take the total and I'm going to divide it by 8. And so each interior angle is 135 degrees. Okay? So then the final question says, what is the sum of each interior exterior angle pair? So if each interior angle is 45 degrees and each exterior angle pair is 135, what is the sum going to be? 180 degrees. Now why does that work? What do you notice all of these pairs are? Each interior exterior pair is a linear pair. These are all linear pairs. And linear pairs, as we know, are adjacent and supplementary. They form a straight line. They add to 180 degrees. So that's how we figure that out with the interior angle sums.